Hi, I'm Adam Perlow. I'm the Executive Vice President of Island Auto Group here in Staten Island, New York. What your car just drove over was a state-of-the-art computer health check system for your vehicle. It was taking a scan of the underside of your vehicle. It was looking at whether your vehicle is in alignment or out of alignment, if it needs a tire rotation, and if so, on which tire, and also identifying a health check on each of your tires, the tread depths, to know if you need new tires or you're good to go for a while. Once you drive over that very expensive piece of machinery and it completes its scan, it's going to identify on your personal printouts your make and model, your vehicle identification number, and then if your vehicle is in alignment or out of alignment, if it needs a tire rotation and on which tire, and then it's going to show the tread depths of all four of your tires, and if they're green, yellow, or red. Green meaning you're good to go. Yellow meaning you're starting to wear down your tires and it's getting ready to time for replacement. And red being it's definitely time for replacement. Your tires are no longer safe to be driving on. So when you come into any of our service departments here at Island Auto Group in Staten Island, New York, if you do need an alignment, you're going to find a machine just like this in all of our service departments. This is not an ordinary alignment machine. This is a state-of-the-art, top-of-the-line, very sophisticated electronic alignment machine. This machine will identify in pinpoint accuracy fine adjustments to your alignments to make sure that when we're providing you with an alignment, you have the best possible alignment of your vehicle that you could get anywhere. And you will not find this machine in local shops and many other dealerships. So here at Island Auto Group in Staten Island, New York, we believe in transparency for our customers. If our technicians are making recommendations on your vehicle, things that you might need like an air filter or new brakes or new tires, the first thing we're going to do is a full digital multi-point inspection with a trained certified technician. And during that process, if our technicians identify that you need some things replaced on your vehicle, maintenance items, wear and tear items, we're not just going to recommend them to you. We're going to take out a smartphone and we're going to make a video of your vehicle. We're going to show you why your brakes need to be replaced if they do, why your tire needs to be replaced if they do, and your air filters, and any other recommendations that we might have for you. And then we're going to take those pictures and videos along with the health check and the digital multi-point inspection, and we're going to text and email it to you so that you can bring them up on your smartphone, watch them, understand them, and see the full visualization of any recommendation that our trained and certified technicians are making for your particular vehicle. And with that, you'll have the opportunity to respond from your smartphone. You can accept the recommendations. You can discuss the recommendations. But most importantly, when you do business here at Island Auto Group in any of our service centers, you will have transparency to any recommendation we're making for your vehicle and as to why we're making that recommendation. If you need service on your vehicle, any make and any model, come to Island Auto Group here in Staten Island, New York, because we will provide you with something you just won't get other places. State-of-the-art equipment that's doing health checks of your vehicle. Printouts that show you if you need something like an alignment, a tire rotation, or new tires, or if you don't, because sometimes you don't need those things, and we want to let you know when you don't need those things as well. And we will always provide you with the transparency of pictures and videos taken from a smartphone just like yours and text over to you, so that you can understand any recommendation that we're making to you. Thanks for coming to Island Auto Group to have your car serviced. We look forward to seeing you.